seatbelt, lift the top portion of the buckle. Keep your seatbelt fastened when the seatbelt sign is on, and just in case there's turbulence, keep it on whenever you are in your seat. U.S. law requires compliance with lighted and posted signs and crew instructions. All flights are non-smoking. This includes e-cigarettes. It's against the law to tamper with, disable, or destroy any smoke detectors in aircraft lavatories. The safety card in your seat pocket explains the safety features of this airplane, including the location and operation of exits and flotation devices. This airplane has 2 exit doors in the front, 4 window exits over the wings, and 2 exit doors in the back. All exits have evacuation slides to use in emergency. When directed to exit, jump into the slide and move away from the airplane. In a water evacuation, the exit door slides in the front and in the back of the aircraft can be detached and used as rafts. All exits are clearly marked with signs and opening instructions. If needed, exit path lighting in the aisles will illuminate near the floor to guide you to the exit indicated by signs and lights. Keep in mind the closest exit may be behind you. In the event of an emergency, leave all belongings and proceed to the closest usable exit. If needed, oxygen mask will drop from the overhead compartment. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and put the elastic band over your head. Pull the straps to tighten and breathe normally. Put on your mask before helping others. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag doesn't inflate. In a water evacuation, you can use your seat cushion for flotation. Pull up to remove the cushion and take it to the closest usable exit. When exiting the airplane, place your arms through the straps and hug the cushion to your chest. If necessary, an infant life vest will be distributed by a flight attendant. The safety card shows how to use it. We will be dimming the cabin lights for takeoff. Individual reading light controls are overhead. We thank you for your attention. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Are you taking video? Is it like a special camera?
Yeah, it's a GoPro. Captures like a wide, like the field of view is like very wide. So they put them on like cars and stuff. They can put them on airplanes.
So it gives pretty good quality, even through like the window.
Yeah. Yeah, that's exactly what they use.
Flight attendants prepare for takeoff.
and gentlemen, I'd like to be the first to welcome you to Phoenix, Arizona, where the local time is 6:48 p.m. Today we are arriving into gate number A6. If you have questions about your connecting gates or connecting flights, please check with the gate agent at the top of the jet bridge. There's also TV monitors located throughout the concourse. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. Please keep the main aisleway clear until we are safely parked out the gate and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. That will be your indication that it is safe to move about the cabin, retrieve articles from the overhead bins. Please use caution as bags tend to shift during landing. On behalf of the entire crew, I'd like to say it's been our pleasure serving you this evening. We hope that you have a very nice day here in Phoenix, wherever your final destination may be. Have a great evening.